Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Cooler Master Caliber R1 gaming chair. I did receive this product to review from Cooler Master, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. If you're interested in this chair, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead. I couldn't even do it. And open it up. That's what we should be doing. What do we got in here? All right, Cooler Master. User guide and manual. Here are all the included contents. You can see all the parts and pieces for our chair. You may notice we have the purple version here that matches Cooler Master's logo. They also have a blue, a red, and a white option available. Now it's time to assemble the chair. You can see right here, all of our parts and pieces are clearly labeled for us, which is great. And we have a very thorough and detailed setup guide right here, walking us through the individual steps to get our chair built. So check it out, you can see we got the gaming chair fully assembled and it's really comfortable so far, really happy with the build quality. So we have adjustable armrests, so you can see right up here, we can pull those up as desired. So that's our lowest setting, there's our highest setting, or we can settle somewhere in between if we want. And it's definitely sculpted for your arms to be a nice, comfortable place to rest them. Also, you may notice down here, we have one of my favorite features. We can actually tilt this thing back 180 degrees. What? So check that out. If you want to take a quick nap, you could do that on this chair. I just think that's so wild. We can also bring it back up and adjust it to a more normal position depending on your comfort. And then don't forget, lastly, this is height adjustable as well too. So we got our lever right here that we can decrease the height so you can see how low the chair sits, and then we can bring it back up to our maximum height as well. 360 rotation and swivel, 5 caster wheels, and we have our lumbar support that's adjustable too. So we have at the lowest setting, but we can pull this up as needed and as we desire, and same with our pillow. And don't forget, if you don't want to use either of them, they're removable right off the back. Just unbuckle them and you're all set and ready to go. Well, I don't need this anymore. Hello, Cooler Master. Back needs to be supported. I feel like this chair does a good job, but this is nice. If I don't have my hoodie too, I feel like I can literally not even hold my own head up. It wouldn't be a gaming chair review without actually doing some gaming, so you can see what it's like to have the chair here at my desk. Check it out, it fits great underneath. Look at that, the armrests perfectly go under our desk right here. Obviously, if your desk is lower, you can lower those down as needed. So we have plenty of clearance right here. Same can be said for the height of this chair. We're currently at the max height setting, and we have no issues with it going up close and even under our desk. Now let's go ahead, let's play some games. Bad guy. Got him! Yes, let's go! Got him, let's go! All because of the chair, baby. Oh, here's bad guy. Got him, let's go! What the heck? That was amazing. Got him, let's go. Oh, look at all these people. Free kills. They didn't even play. All right, we'll take it. Oh, if I die here, let's see. Oh, I died. Well, we got to do it. All right, I died. So now let me share with you my final thoughts after using the Cooler Master Caliber R1 gaming chair. I've had a great experience with this chair, super comfortable, so much so that I'm definitely going to be swapping it out with my other chair. This is going to be my go-to choice for my desk here. Now, obviously, it's important to have a comfortable chair while you're gaming for a prolonged period of time, and this definitely fits the bill. Very happy with the comfort of this chair. It supports your back with the lumbar support, and I wasn't sure I would like having a pillow or headrest at the top of my chair, but I've really enjoyed having this here. Definitely an awesome feature to have, but again, if you don't like it, it is removable. Now, with all that being said, there is a feature I'd want to see changed in this chair going forward. For me personally, I'm 5'9", so I feel like the chair fits me just fine. But if you are taller, 6 foot, 6'2", 6'4", 6'5", obviously even taller than that, the chair doesn't have a tall enough height adjustment if you ask me. So this is the max height right here. And again, at 5'9", I feel like I fit very comfortably. My legs and everything just rest on the floor as you would expect. But if you're gonna be taller, here's the issue you might run into. You're gonna wanna have probably a little bit better support. So it would kind of be equivalent to me at the lowest setting. You might not find that as comfortable as, maybe you can see that right here, how everything's going to rest. It's not that big of a deal, but if you are taller, I do want to point that out. You might just be out of luck when it comes to office chairs or gaming chairs in general, so there's not much that can be done. But for me personally, I would like to have the ability to increase the height even more in the future. But overall, very comfortable, very happy with it, and it's making its way to my setup. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.